Welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the latest and most useful updates on WhatsApp Web, the ability to block messages from unknown accounts right on your computer. If you've ever been bothered by random messages or spam popping up while using WhatsApp Web, this new feature is going to make your experience smoother and safer. Let's jump straight into how you can enable it in just a few simple steps. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC just like you normally would. Head over to your favorite browser, type in the WhatsApp web address, or open the desktop app if you already have it installed. Once it's open, make sure your account is logged in and connected to your phone. Now, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a gear icon that's the settings menu. Click on it to open a list of options. This is where you'll find all your privacy and security features. Next, click on Privacy. This section lets you manage who can reach you, who can see your info, and now who can message you directly. Scroll through until you find the new option labeled Block Unknown Account Messages. All you have to do here is toggle that option on. Once it's enabled, WhatsApp Web will automatically filter messages from unknown or unregistered numbers. This means you'll no longer receive messages from accounts that haven't been saved in your contacts or verified through your phone. This feature is a great way to cut down on spam and protect your privacy, especially if you use WhatsApp Web for work or school. It ensures that only trusted and verified contacts can reach you, keeping distractions and unwanted pings to a minimum. And that's it. You've just made your WhatsApp Web safer and cleaner in under a minute. If you found this helpful, go ahead and share it with friends who use WhatsApp on their PCs too. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your favorite chat apps.